So it's Sonia here from Create Education. Today I'm at Wyndham Primary Academy. We've come here for the conclusion of the Land the Starship Challenge project. So the students have all been testing their Starship models to test their landing mechanisms. We're just gathering lots and lots of feedback now. There's lots of excitement and the children have really enjoyed the project.
Hi everyone, it's An Dương here, and I'm so glad to be here today. To see how things has gone in the last 10 weeks. Launching this Starship project at Wyndham Primary Academy, and well, it's a lovely day today, and I will have to say it went really well. I generally enjoy this challenge at this particular primary school, and I think I learned as much as like the student learned over the last 10 weeks. I think like one of the things that we want to encourage young people to do is to think outside the box and think about their future career. Whether they want to be an engineer or they want to be doing anything in the STEM space. And I think we sort of achieved that by doing this challenge. And I think like if we can do more and more of this, we definitely building a much better generation in the future for people who want to go and do things in science. So yeah, that's really good. I've really enjoyed it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Miss Higgins. I work at Wyndham Primary Academy here in our Year 5 class. Our children have loved taking part of this project so far. What they've achieved over the course of the last 10 weeks has been amazing in terms of them developing those skills, becoming mini engineers and getting to use that technology of the 3D printers, developing their own designs as well, which has been such a good experience for them. That's so different to what we get to do on a daily basis in class. So it's been really, really wonderful for them to experience, and actually what they've achieved by the end of it has been quite impressive. They've started to grasp it and they've done a great job.
So when the parachute, it caught wind in the parachute, which was good, and when it went down, it still was in one piece, and when it started to go down, and when it hit the floor, it just broke into pieces, and yeah.
So how do you think you would improve that next time?
We could add some higher walls to the outside. We could make it a little bit wider, and we were also thinking we could put the domes on the sides, and we could do a slightly bigger flat spot in the middle, so that it wouldn't just roll immediately off, and it would have somewhere to roll to that would be flat. And we could make the bits that have the wings a little bit smaller, because we had to use a bucket load of blue tack to try and get that to stay in.
And what are you proud of with the design? What did you like the best?
We liked the best that the parachute caught wind and then it landed, but just after it landed, obviously, when it hit the ground, it broke into pieces, but we thought that it was good that it at least caught wind and landed before it broke into pieces.
It did break, but the parachute definitely worked, because it was, if we hadn't have slowed the fall, then it would have just destroyed quicker, and much more powerful.
And
Very nice.
what would you do to improve it?
Well, to improve it, we'd probably give it a bit more support, give it a better parachute and everything.
And what was the best part of the design? What worked well?
The best part was the bit at the bottom because that really supported it, and the bits there which holds it really well.
When we dropped our rocket from Wyndham Towers, it made it in one piece, but then the stabilizers broke off, so it just lied down. The parachute worked pretty well, but I think we have to improve the stabilizers or put more blue tack or something like that.
So it went okay, but two of the pieces stayed, but one of them fell off. So then I think we should add like more support to it and make it a little smaller, so it could just stay a bit more.
I basically like how wide it is, but I just wish we could make it thinner, so then it wouldn't be so wobbly and we wouldn't need all this blue tack.
Yeah.
So I think what would make it better is we had to put it really high, or the rocket really high, so therefore so it could catch more air.
First, we had some hard work on the Starship, and the good thing is that at least two pieces stayed together.
And the parachute also really slowed the rocket down, but as it hit the ground, it just started to lose control and it broke. But the good thing is that the parachute really worked.
The stabilizer was good, but the bad thing about it was that it was a little bit too small and the side broke off. So I think that we need to make it a little bit bigger and a little bit stronger.